Welcome to our channel. If you love wearing perfume but find that your scent fades too quickly, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into some fantastic tips to help your fragrance last all day long. Let's get started. Apply to pulse points. Start by applying your perfume to your pulse points, areas where blood vessels are closest to the skin, like your wrists, neck, and behind the ears. This adds warmth and helps to diffuse the scent throughout the day. Moisturize first. Hydrated skin retains fragrance better. Use an unscented moisturizer before applying your perfume to create a perfect base. 3. Spritz on clothing. Your clothes can hold fragrance longer than your skin. Just a light spray on your outfit can enhance scent longevity, but remember to test it on a small area first to avoid fabric damage. Apply after a shower. Wearing perfume right after a shower can lock in the scent. Your skin is clean and hydrated, making it a perfect canvas for fragrance application. 5. Layer your fragrance. Try using complementary scented body wash, lotion, or deodorant. This layering technique builds the fragrance profile and ensures a longer-lasting scent. Your perfume in a cool, dark place away from sunlight and humidity, which can break down the fragrance and affect its longevity. There you have it. Simple yet effective tips to help your perfume last all day. Make sure to experiment and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know your favorite perfume tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay fabulous.